Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about BP PLC or British Petroleum, and this is the long-term chart. And the most important thing to understand here is the current price action for this particular stock, and it is a long-term trend. So the importance of the trend or the price action in the long term is of utmost importance, and one should not just simply wave off these price movements. So let me tell you one thing, that the current price movement at a very crucial level. Okay, so the current price movement, and specifically the recent low that the stock has made right now, is a very crucial movement. Why? We are going to discuss about that. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now let me just move back to line chart for the time being. Okay, so here we have, I will explain this to you. Yeah, now that's fine. Now just have a look at this chart. So previously, as you can see, the stock has moved from the lows of 1983 to the highs of 2001, where the stock has 2000, where the stock has given 1200 percent worth of returns in a span of 17 odd years. And after that, from 2000, probably the oil era ended and the tech era started. So the stock has been inside a range since then. So as you can see, from 1999 2000 till 2018, the stock has been trading inside a range. Here you have. So it was trading inside the range, and what happened afterwards? So one more. Yes. Okay. So what happened afterwards? That so it was trading, the lower end of the range was probably 351, in between 351 and 313. So in the year 2019 or 20, this level breaks on the downside, and the stock is currently trading near 190. Now 190 is a very crucial level, because it was the resistance which the stock has made in the year 1987 and 1990. Okay, now it is acting as a big support now. And there is one more important support to look at here, is 174 and this one 148. Now these three are consecutive support level which one can see. So if 191 breaks, then 174, and 174 breaks, then we have 149. So these are three consecutive support levels which the stock could see if the stock falls below 190. Okay, but the real problem will start if the stock started trading below 149, because if that thing happens, then the next target will be at 89. So this is the real risk which is looming on this stock for the time being, because it is trading at a level which was its previous resistance, and it was like 2 or 3 decades ago, and right now it is acting as a current support. But if the pressure on the stock continues like this, so you have a zone, but which looks like that those are near, but this is like from 191 to 149, it's a 22% drop again. It will be a 22% drop. But if it goes below 149, then you will definitely have two digits on the card. And these are long term trends. This will require time. Okay, the trend formation will definitely require time. So one must be very aware about the movements, and without understanding the situation, you can just play around. You, if you want to trade, you can place your stop losses accordingly and do those trades, but understand the risk in the long term. Okay, one more thing is, if let's say the stock, if somebody is looking 190 or 191 as a big support, and somebody is thinking that it will turn around from this level, then obviously one can put their stop loss at 190 191, and the next big target one could look at is around 313 or 315, which was its previous resistance. So that may also happen, but all these things require time, whether an up move or a down move. But the trend is very important, and as it has been already broken on the downside, so one should be very aware about the positions and the risk which is looming on this particular stock. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.